Hey, it's Todd Ault, and these are Wall Street Words. Today's word is K-1. K-1. If you've ever been in a partnership, you understand what a K-1 is. If you're a member of a limited partnership or an LLC, you should be getting a K-1 every year telling you what the company made or lost and your percentage of the profit, loss, or gain. Now, these K-1s are important. They come out from the general partners every year, and they're required to issue them to you so you can file your taxes. Now, personally, I've been in lots of partnerships. The K-1s seem to never be on time, and there's always a delay in filing your returns. I find that anyone that is waiting for a K-1 usually files their tax return in October. Unfortunately, K-1s are an important part of the process. They're also issued if you are part of an S corporation, you're a shareholder, you get your cut of the profits that passes along to you. K-1's an important tax document. As a side note, if you're an S corporation issuing K-1s, you need to report that activity on Form 1120S. It's important to understand if you have K-1s, if you're part of a partnership, to read them. It's important to understand your capital account, how much money you invested, and if the losses are flowing through to you. Now, in real estate transactions, sometimes the general partner keeps more of the losses and reports different gains or losses to you. These are really critical items, and I would always pay attention to reading the K-1s and making sure they're following the operating agreement and that you're getting taken care of. K-1, that's the word today. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. New words and terms delivered every single day. Please subscribe, push the bell. If you found this information helpful or you think someone could benefit from this information, please share this video. Thanks for watching our channel. Always good things happening here.